Hi there everyone, welcome back to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you are back here again, welcome back. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is we're heading towards the last week of the year, and I hope your trading has been going well since you started, or your journey has been improving, or you have seen some light when it comes to this trading thing. And if not, don't worry, just keep pushing, guys. Just keep pushing. Your day will come, because remember, this is a process, ladies and gentlemen. It is a process. So with that out of the way, just wanted to remind you guys, or just keep you guys motivated. In this week's video, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be taking a look at USDZAR and GJ. We're just gonna be keeping up with USDZAR and GBP JPY. And if you go back to the channel, the previous videos I did on these pairs, I did top down analysis on this pairs, so you can just go ahead and check them out. As well as if you want to trade with a regulated FSC broker, just click in the link in the description down below. And if you don't know what is an FSC regulated broker, there is a video on that, as well as I did a video on how to choose the right broker. So you guys can just take a look at those two videos so that you can get a clear understanding of what kind of broker you should choose or avoid when it comes to opening an account. So let's get into today's video, ladies and gentlemen. So as I mentioned, USDZAR, I did do a top-down analysis on this pair. So right now I'm just gonna update, update. So I did say we're looking for buys until this high. However, I do see that price has been corrective here Remember, this is an uptrend because it's giving us higher highs, higher highs, and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, which indicate that it is an uptrend. So our main focus, ladies and gentlemen, would be right here, the circle. So I'm just going to update because I do see a pattern playing out there. So I just want to do this and separate this structure accordingly. So if we do join those two highs, it is a pattern I am familiar with, and I know how this pattern behaves. So basically, because this is the daily time frame, I just want to outline this pattern so that we can get trades within this pattern on the lower time frames, which is your H1 or 15 minutes, because I trade on the H1. I take my trades on the H1 time frame. Let's go to for our time frame just to see what is happening. Okay. Okay. So price bounced from the lows aggressively and then went back to give us a nice pullback. And I think this pullback is at the previous. Okay, let me do that. Okay, on the previous lows. All right, and I think oh, there is a pattern here. There is a falling wedge rising wedge, I mean rising wedge, sorry, rising wedge. There we go, rising wedge. This pattern does usually complete at the start, which is these lows. So price pushed aggressively up, went back to give us a pullback at the previous support zones. You see, price failed to break these lows. Also here, it's actually a false breakout, but went back again. So this is actually a strong support level. Support level. But anyway, just need to understand the market. Just need to understand the market. So as I did mention, price went back to give us a nice pullback at that zone, and now price is pushing up. Price is pushing up. So what I would look for is a continuation pattern. Continuation pattern. For those who know my trading style, this is how I trade. I like patterns because they're simple for me to read. They play out all the time in the market and they are simple for me to understand. And it gives me opportunity to have a nice clean chart without having too many things on the chart. Too many things on the chart. So let me go to the H1 for this. As I did mention, this is what I'll be looking for, and I'll be looking to enter at the breakout. At the breakout. So my first target for this, my first target for this trade will be here, and my second target would obviously be at this high. So first TP and second TP. And also ladies and gentlemen, also should price continue to give me continuation patterns while I'm still in the trade, I am going to add on to the trade. I am going to add on to the trade, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to add on to the trade. So basically, while we're waiting for price to break out of this outer pattern, we are going to trade within it. We are going to trade within this pattern. We're going to trade within this pattern. And once it breaks out, ladies and gentlemen, once it breaks out, I'll be looking for continuations all the way to the upside, all the way to the daily pattern, outside of the daily pattern. See, remember, you can just go back to our previous top-down analysis video I did on Usdzar so that you are up to date with the current market movement and the analysis we we are doing. So that's it for Usdzar. I hope you guys learned or you saw how I go about analyzing the market. And I always say, ladies and gentlemen, we might have different trading strategies or trading styles, but as long as we get the right direction, that's all that matters. Because we need to capitalize from our plan, from our trading plan or setup. So let's go to GBP JPY. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. So remember with GJ, we are still looking for buyers all the way until the upside. All the way until the upside, ladies and gentlemen. But currently, we are going to focus on the current market movement or what's happening within this pattern, within this pattern, ladies and gentlemen, within this pattern. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you guys see what I see, but I already see um a head and shoulder, a head and shoulder, a head and shoulder. Hmm. Let me just identify this head and shoulder for you guys. Is the left shoulder, the head, and I think currently the right shoulder needs to develop. Still in the process of developing. Still in the process of developing. So, as well as the previous support, and price has been rejecting. It's been rejecting since here, but right now I just want us to focus from here to there. Because the left shoulder I think is still developing. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, let me just see. Let me just see. Let me just see. Do we have a pattern of some sort? Let me see if I change the highs there, there. Okay, let me remove the head and shoulders so that we see what's actually happening here. All right, this is great, this is great, this is great. So now that you see, you know this pattern's descending pattern. So basically, should price go back to this low, then we'll, because price has been rejecting this zone many times. So is it gonna go back for the fourth or fifth time, third time, or whatever times? Doesn't matter. What we were looking for is price to maybe go back and reject. And at the breakout, we are going to enter, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to enter. I would have my buy stop somewhere there, and my stop loss just somewhere below there. Let me use this one instead. I'll have my stop loss there, somewhere there, and obviously my take profit would be at the start of this, because this is how these patterns behave. My take profit would be there. Let me get this. Let me rather get this. My stop loss would be somewhere there, and my take profit would be there. Would be there. Because remember, this is a head and shoulder, and we're looking to trade the right shoulder, and basically, uh, this zone would also be the neckline of the head and shoulder, neckline of the head and shoulder, neckline of the head and shoulder. And once price gets here, let's say bar, let's do this. Price breaks out, does play out, completes the right shoulder. Once price gets here, I'll wait for a break of this zone, a retest, and then I'll look for entry. I'll look for entry there, buy stop there, stop loss just below there, all the way until this high. Or if it doesn't give us a retest, look for a break, and a continuation pattern. So those are my two entry styles, either break retest or a continuation pattern. Enter at the break all the way until the high, all the way until this high. So that's it from me, ladies and gentlemen. That is what I am anticipating for the last week of the year. Or if this doesn't play out, probably will play out in the first week of the year. We don't know. We'll just have to wait for price to show us what it is doing. And I hope next year is your year, ladies and gentlemen. Or if it's not your year, it's your year of maybe just seeing the light, seeing how the market moves, and yeah, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, all that good trading stuff. We all have to go through the journey. We all have to go through the ups and downs, wanting to quit, but do not quit. What I'm saying is do not quit, because when it's your time, it's your time. You'll thank yourself for not quitting. Nonetheless, this is Chill and Trade TV. Thank you for watching all the way until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell. Have yourself a profitable trading week next week. And don't forget to like, guys. Let's like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Until the next video, this is Chill and Trade TV. Have yourselves a profitable trading week next week. Peace.